Hello everyone! Welcome na naman tayo dito sa ating munting kusina. Welcome here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Please come join with me here as I'm going to show you how to make very easy type of sandwiches. So ito po ang ating mga ingredients and I'm going to show you. But first of all, I'm going to wash my hands. So washing hands is very important prior to prepping. Okay, wonderful friends, please come join with me here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations as I'm going to show you how I make my chicken sandwiches for my son Lloyd. After this one, I'm going to take this to his workplace. Okay, there you go. The kind of bread I use is what we called Canadian rye bread. So rye, those are little types of grains, so that's very healthy. Okay, so I use 2 pieces of this or 2 slices of this bread, and I have here my mayonnaise. I will just, so it's up to you if you want to use mayonnaise or you can add butter, so the choice is always yours. So adding mayonnaise and the quantity, it's up to you, wonderful friends. Okay, there you go. So after that, I have here my romaine lettuce. So I wash this one and then I will pat it to dry. So you can also use iceberg lettuce or even baby spinach. So I will just add this here into my bread. Okay, there you go. So the meat that we are going to use, or the protein, I will be using this halal chicken breast roast or roasted chicken breast. So this is ready to eat. So I will just add this here. Okay, there you go, friends. And then I am going to add this tomatoes. I use house tomatoes. There are different tomatoes here. Sometimes I love the Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. This is house tomato. Or there's beef steak tomato. Okay, friends, and then I am going to add this sweet relish. This can be very optional, wonderful friends, the sweet relish. You can use the dill. Okay, so I will just add that one here. So if you want to add lots, so it depends upon you. Okay, how's everybody today? It's cold today, friends. It's so windy. So that's our sweet relish, sweet green relish. Then I'm going to add this cucumbers. This type of cucumbers, these are what we call English seedless cucumbers. So I slice this one thinly. Just that one, like that. So after which I am going to add mayo. So I'm using mayonnaise. So you don't really need to add salt and pepper because This is seasoned already. I mean to say the mayo is seasoned, it's flavorful already. Okay, then we are going to cover this with the rest of our um, green leafy veg, which is our romaine lettuce. But of course, you can also drizzle some of your favorite black pepper. Okay, you can add ketchup if you want. Okay, there. So this is very, very feely already. So I am going to put that here and then have a little press. Use your clean hands to press it so that it will stick together. Now, if you don't have this kind of bread, you can use white bread, whole wheat bread, whatever bread you have available within your reach. And besides, I have here my tortillas. It's ancient grains. This is very, very healthy type of wrap, tortilla wrap. But I'm going to use that in some other um, things that I'm going to use this maybe the next time. So this is the roasted chicken. So there you go. Okay. So I'm going to put this into my container. So friends, this is my pack lunch container. So I will just add this one. This is paper towel. So just do like that and then pick up the entire sandwich. Now you can try to slice the sandwich into slant, but I will just have it like this as it is. This is very huge sandwich. Okay, there you go. Okay, wonderful friends. I hope you have fun watching me as I do this simple, easy sandwich presentation. And have this for your lunch at work, for your children's lunch to school. Okay, so this is our sandwich, and then I'm going to put Lloyd's name. Oh, by the way, friends, I decided I will just place this simple sticker, which I bought this from dollar store. It says handmade with love. So this is for Lloyd from his mom. Okay, have a good day everyone. This is your home cook and bake buddy La Arnie saying you daghang kayong salamat.